Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the one, the only, the original, the authentic, the real, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is my holiday ham. And the problem is I cut a lot of it off. There's a ham in the bowl. There's the ham, the green beans, the carrots, the potatoes. But I got to talking to Kathy and Patty. And particularly Patty, I got carried away. We were on the phone for an hour. And I forgot to check the ham. So I cut off the burn parts and the rest is okay. But I need to get the hell off the phone when I'm cooking. So it's a lot saltier than I expected. But I'm going to eat another bowl. Now I go cat feeding. Then I'm going to put this in the oven, put it on low, and take my nap. All right, the Titans won. I picked that one. The Patriots won. I did not pick them. I picked the Bills. The Bills made too many mistakes. Very weird game. The Titan was a wild game. And the Niners are losing in the half. So I may have a 1 for 3, and I'm not happy about that. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry and stay safe out there. And enjoy your evening. Bye-bye for now.